Airwallex is one of the leading financial technology platforms designed for modern businesses that operate globally. It helps companies move money across borders efficiently, but while its products are appealing, understanding its fees and hidden costs is crucial before using it for international transactions. Airwallex offers competitive rates compared to traditional banks. For international payments, the platform typically charges a small margin above the interbank exchange rate, often between 0.3% to 0.6%, depending on the currency corridor. This means when you transfer money abroad, you get a rate that's much closer to the real market rate, unlike banks that usually mark up rates by 3% or more. Domestic transfers are generally free in most supported regions, making it cost-effective for businesses that handle both local and international payments. When it comes to global accounts, Airwallex allows you to open multi-currency accounts in major currencies such as USD, GBP, Euro, AUD, and more, all without monthly maintenance fees. You can receive payments like a local in those regions, which saves significantly on conversion charges. However, while there's no charge for account setup or receiving funds, some third-party bank fees may still apply if your clients use certain payment methods outside the Airwallex network. Card usage is another key area. Airwallex's borderless cards are convenient for global spending, and there are no monthly card fees. But foreign currency transactions attract a small FX margin, similar to transfers, typically around 0.3% to 0.6%. There are also no hidden markups on card spending, which makes it transparent compared to traditional corporate cards. Still, businesses should note that if the transaction involves less common currencies, the conversion margin could be slightly higher. For withdrawals, Airwallex doesn't charge for moving funds between your own accounts. However, sending money to external bank accounts outside your base country might attract a flat fee, usually around $10 for SWIFT transfers, depending on the destination bank. It's not a hidden fee, but one that can be overlooked when budgeting for global operations. Another often unnoticed cost relates to refunds and chargebacks. If a customer disputes a payment or you need to reverse a transaction, Airwallex applies processing fees aligned with industry standards. These are not excessive, but they can add up for businesses handling high transaction volumes. Airwallex integrates seamlessly with accounting software and e-commerce platforms like Xero, Shopify, and Amazon. There are no integration fees, but certain payment gateway services may involve standard transaction charges that depend on the region and method. For instance, credit card payments or digital wallets might incur up to 2.9% plus a small fixed amount, similar to Stripe or PayPal. Overall, Airwallex remains one of the most transparent and cost-effective options for international business payments. Its strength lies in offering low FX margins, no monthly account fees, and predictable transfer costs. The main expenses to watch are small FX markups, possible SWIFT transfer fees, and standard third-party bank charges. Knowing these in advance helps you budget accurately and take full advantage of Airwallex's competitive global payment infrastructure without surprises.